The cruising kids, the cruising kids, see what see. Welcome back to the Cruising Kids. I'm DJ and this is Callie. And I want to bring sippy cup stars. And also the most important things. And we're also going to give you some cruise tips that you need to bring for the cruise. They're helpful. So first thing is life jacket if you need it, or a swimmy if you need them, because some people don't know how to swim yet and they still need some of this stuff. And another stuff is sunblock. And we also need to bring straws now.
And Callie, you said sippy cups? That's a good idea. Can you think of anything else?
We'd also try to bring some fancy clothes.
Oh, really? What do you wear the fancy clothes for?
Like the dinner night or something.
Oh, that's perfect. Are we starting to pack now?
Yeah. Look how much clothes we have.
Oh, we're starting to pack for the whole family. So wait, how many days until we leave for the cruise?
10 days. 10 days. No, 10 days.
10 days? Are you guys excited?
Yeah. Yeah.
What is it that you're most excited for?
Swimming. Swimming. And going on the water park and down the water slides.
Have you ever been on a water slide before?
No. Yeah, I have a little when I was little. And went on a little baby slide.
Yeah, when we went to, what was it, Playa Mia in Cozumel on your first cruise, I think, right?
Wait, was that the Allure?
Yeah. But it was when we were in Mexico.
Oh.
It wasn't on the cruise ship. It was when we got off the ship in Mexico. All right, guys, it's time for bed. So what do you say?
Bye. Bye.
See you at sea.
See you at sea.